Set up 9 pass and everything was to make a step on them ends figure fire wing. Silence creep up, not even drop a pin. People ask.
Welcome guys, Queenball back again with another reaction video to the react to Vybz Kartel, S.e.xability. Here guys, I'm gonna try react to that video a certain way that's gonna get black or and them thing there. See me, because I react to other Vybz Kartel before and them get black. That's why I don't really like react to Vybz Kartel, you see me, but more if you know yourself, I try to do this for you, you see me, you know yourself still. So I try to edit this away or react to it a certain way. That's when I get black, you see me, so I pause the video a couple times and see if that gonna work, you see me. So just bear with me guys and I test out this and see if that gonna work, you see me, but still I react to it anyway. Alright, so this name is S.e.xability. So begin now. Ooh. Ooh. Start off well. Ooh. What? Ooh.
Me see you a follow me. DM a pussy picture make me see.
Yo, Addy, always just start off raw band, bro. Man say, take a pussy picture make me see and DM it to me. No news them guard, you see me?
See like you sound like me, a dirty decks like me, a the mayor for Miami. You're fucking on your mate. Money and no nothing you for breed.
Yeah, money and nothing you for breed. Yo, Addy always have some of the best girl tuning. Big man thing.
Body language I go with it. Doctor Miami do your breast and never afraid. Look round when you ride it. Body head make your jaw get divided.
The man say, when say for Dr. Miami, do your breast, body else split up, divide it. And me I think we say about girl with the surgery. And if the God, if a man want to do them surgery, I don't know against that still, you see me? Woman free to do them surgery. If you feel it make you look good, you're free to do anything, you see me? Because who is we to control somebody else's body? You see me? If you control somebody's body, basically them are a slave and you're the master. And someone look upon it, so everybody free to do anything they want on their body. So me not against surgery, anything they want them do, you see me?
It's gonna be rough up on your pussy, you know listen Jimmy Riley. Skin out and spread out. That wine
That's a lie.
So you make me left.
Yo, I don't know if anybody did before. Y'all have a girl and I put her work on her and have a cartel song in the background. Yo, nothing sweet so bro. When you have beats, skin and adding in the background I play. Crazy.
But she can't do it like you. Tell you full of fuckability. And she can't whine like you. Give my pussy picture make me see. Nah, fuck we never cook. Nothing from me mouth, me no put.
You the man then, nothing from him mouth, him and a cook. Lord, killer, talk your shit, yardy. You see me?
Couple girl know nah do. Me no fuck them pan the bed inna the office them cook. Bend down with your ass up. Girl you no fi fret, you better boss up. Me a fuck you pan the dresser, baby you make me body on the glass, bro. Skin out and spread. That wine
Yes, sir. Oh, boy. All them tattoo there. God, girl, full of tattoo there. So your band still already there, I'm not telling a lie.
the girl get jealous. Say you make me left out. But she can't do
Me
it.
like you.
Girl you full of
Fuckability.
fuckability.
And I can't do like you.
Give my pussy picture
Let
make
me
me
see.
see.
Skin out and still laugh. Girl, I can't do it like you. Leave my pussy bit, let me see.
Me see you a follow me. DM my pussy
Yeah,
picture
let
make
me
me see.
see.
See like you sound like me, a dirty decks like me, a the mayor for
Miami.
Miami. You're fucking on your mate. Money and no nothing.
When I first
Body language I go with it. Doctor Miami do your breast and never afraid. Look round
when I ride it.
when you ride it. Body head make your jaw get divided.
Yo, at the hour, the yo, the man, what the split your shit. When you're right, yo, everybody has created dog.
Rough up on your pussy, you no listen Jimmy Riley.
It's a laugh. It's a laugh. It's us. Oh, let's laugh. I can't be like you. Reality. And she can't do it like you. Remember, see.
Nothing from me mouth, me no put.
Yo, what did I play some? I say Julie at. That better than that.
Couple gal know nah bro. Me no fuck them pan the bed inna the office them hook. Bend down with your ass up.
Ooh, not that I get it 6. But I think I share the first one in the beginning of the radio. I think I see that. Yeah, look good. Well, I get them look good there. Well, I get them look good, you see me? That's what I did that say.
If you better boss up. Me a fuck your panty just a baby. You make me body on the glass, bro.
Ooh, split out the pool. Why that sell up? Jealous. You don't laugh. Be like you. Reality. And she can't like you. Let me see. Summertime, you know that shit. That's thing you have to put a ring thing there somewhere, you know. Big man thing, you see. Then why not still laugh? Enough. No, not enough. Yo, that song I bad still. And I'm not telling lie. But honestly, God, guys, the reason why I see me about part is so much because more see if it will get black same way, you see me? So this is like I still a reaction, but more see if it will get black, you see me? Because I do a 2-hour video before and it don't get black. So I want to really see this, you see me? Because I like to react to dancehall, but dancehall them have screw me over, bro. Them have block my shit them too much. Can't buy them thing never. And when I react to other music, them not get copyright claim, but them not get black. You see the video that I get copyright claim also bad. But don't black the shit. Me I promote your shit too. I will live in the same country. That kind of shit, bro. But I can't understand still, you know, copyright, people don't want them use them shit. Whatever, you see me? But anyway guys, this is a reaction video. The Vybz Kartel S.e.xability, not that I get them look good. Song sound good as always. Vybz Kartel bad fun girl tune. I feel like him specialty I like girl tune. You see me? I didn't know one thing girl tune them. I love girl tune them, you see me? Him specialty that. You see me? But back in the 2000, early 2000, Vybz Kartel usually bad from the gun tune. He's still bad enough, but it's like he make a transition to female tune, you see me? And that time niche right now. So, big up yourself, world boss. World boss. Peace out.